Hello everybody, today we're going to be going over some unilateral dumbbell row variations. Now this is more for cosmetic purposes, but can also be a fun addition to your workout routine. This exercise also checks the box for a horizontal pull in your program. Now starting off with the setup, the side with your weight, you're going to have the same side leg out for stabilization, whereas the inside leg will be down on the bench. The inside arm will be straight out in front, and make sure you lock out that arm as well. Keep your head down and your spine in neutral alignment, whereas you'll brace your core. Inhale as you bring the weight down and exhale as you bring the weight to you. Now for the upper mid-back variation, you want that elbow glued to your side, so almost sliding across the side of your body. Try squeezing at the top, and you're going to feel that contraction within your upper mid-back. Now for the next variation is a lat focus exercise, so lat being your primary arm adductor. Now for this variation, I want you to allow your shoulder blade to travel forward a little bit on the descent of the exercise, and then pull your elbow to the top of your hip. You'll be performing almost a scooping motion, and you can feel this within your lats as you perform. Try these exercises out and let me know what you think.